improve பண்ணணும்ல சார்.
Yeah, thank you. Now,
ஓகே சார்.
Miss Pooja or Mrs. Pooja?
மிஸ் பூஜா சார்.
Miss Pooja, please tell us about yourself.
ஓகே சார். Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present myself here. I'm Pooja from Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my bachelor degree in mathematics from St. Joseph College of Arts and Science and my master's degree in MBA Finance and HR from CK College of Engineering and Technology. I belong to a nuclear family where my father is a spray painter and my mother is a family manager, and my I have an younger brother who is pursuing his bachelor degree in physiotherapy, and I would describe myself as a keen observer and a quick learner. Thank you, sir.
Good. You studied in MBA in college in which place?
Same Kadalur, sir.
That is also in Kadalur. Very good. So, is it raining nowadays in Kadalur? No,
No, sir.
no, very good. I think Kadalur will have rain only in November, October, when
Yes,
it
sir.
will be heavily raining.
December.
December also. Good. That is right. So now, when did you complete your MBA degree?
Last year, sir, 2023.
Acha, was there any campus recruitment in your college?
Yes, sir. Campus recruitment was there. I have been shortlisted in that too.
In which bank?
Not in a
Sorry,
bank, sir,
in IT
but in some
company,
companies. Yes, sir.
you were selected and you did not join the companies, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now, how keen are you in joining a bank? What do you think the main business of banks?
Sir, bank will accept deposit from publics and they will lend. They also will provide a locker facility, forex facilities, and also for some para-banking activities like mutual funds, and they will also sell insurance, which refers to bank assurance.
Good, very good. Can you tell me what are the sources of income for the bank?
Yes, sir. The interest from the loans
Hmm,
and the commissions from the activities like they are providing insurance, then
hmm,
the service charges for locker facilities.
hmm.
I think that's it, sir.
Banks also invest in government securities,
Yes, sir.
so they get interest on them. Banks invest in shares and debentures. From shares, they get dividend. From debentures, they get interest also. Understand?
Okay, okay, sir.
Very good. Now, some more questions for you. Uh, yeah. I don't know. They have asked this question. Did you see the answer for this? What is variable funding? Did you see the answer for this? What is variable funding? Or the question has been given wrongly by the candidate? I don't know. I have not heard about this. Did you see what is variable funding?
No, sir. I'm hearing this for first time. Variable funding.
Variable funding note. Explanation in terms. It is coming here. Accept all. I am giving the link of this in our um, uh, WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.
I know this question is very unexpected, but they have asked this 2 days back on first. That is why I am asking you to go through this. Here it is
Okay, sir.
telling like
Okay.
this. I will tell you. We will also. I will also see because I have to know about this. Understanding variable funding notes. Please read. In the world of financial factoring,
In the world of financial factoring, a variable funding note is a crucial instrument. It allows businesses to manage their cash flow more efficiently. The variable funding note is a type of short-term debt that provides flexible funding based on the borrower's needs. Instead of receiving a lump sum, companies can draw funds up to maximum limit similar to credit line. How variable funding notes work. A variable funding note is directly tied to a company's accounts receivables. When a business sells their invoices to a factoring company, they receive immediate cash. If they choose a VFN, they can draw money as needed up to the value of the receivables. This way, the company does not have to draw on entire money immediately, which can save on interest costs. Benefits
Read.
of variable funding note. One major advantage of VFN is flexibility. Companies only pay interest on the amount they actually use. This can lead to significant cost savings, especially for businesses with fluctuating cash flow needs. Another benefit is the speed of accessing funds, which can be crucial for managing day-to-day operations and taking advantage of new opportunities.
Good. Very good. So that much you also read it again and try to update
Okay, sir.
yourself. Now, next question, based on what they have asked in that interview, is that what is cash credit?
Cash credit is the short-term advances given for the working capital purpose of the business.
What is the security they take for this?
Um,
So the importance of cash credit is that you should tell it is secured by the goods. It is
it
secured
is
by the
secured by the
goods.
notice, yes, sir.
Yeah, and the stock statement is received every month and inspection is made. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
cash credit, when it will be considered as NPA? This is the question they have asked.
Then,
When this cash credit account will be considered as NPA? Tell me.
sir,
Yeah,
it is
maybe we have,
as
maybe tell me. I think I discussed in one or two classes about this, one or two interviews about this. When when it will be considered as NPA? When the balance in the account remains over and above the drawing power for more than 90 days. Understand? You
yes, sir.
know,
It is
in,
as
in the case of cash credit account, they will be sanctioned a limit, but the drawing power will be based on the security given, stock statement given, because banks will insist on margin on goods, because the margin is prescribed, because when the goods are sold, they may not get full value. So in order to allow for that 25% margin, they will prescribe. So after deducting the margin, the drawing power is arrived. And when in a cash credit account, the balance is over the drawing power for more than 90 days, it will be considered NPA. First, it will become substandard, then it will become doubtful, then it will become loss assets. Okay.
okay, sir. I'll
Next,
go through it.
yeah, next question. What do you understand by term loan?
So term loans are the long-term credit facilities provided for the purchase of long-term assets such as plants and machineries, lands, like that, sir.
Very good. In the case of bank balance sheet, the term loan given to customer will be posted in which side?
In the bank bank balance sheet, sir,
Yeah. Our bank has given loan of term loan to a party. So
in the
in
asset
which
side,
which side of balance sheet this will appear?
asset side, sir.
Good. Very good. Very happy. Now,
Thank you.
can you tell me about what are details about NPA? You start from SMA accounts, go to NPA, go to doubtful and loss assets. Tell some story about it. Also tell what are the provisions made in respect of NPS?
SMA accounts are the special mention account, which signals the possibilities of poor asset quality. From 1 to 30 days, it is referred as SME 0, and 30 to 6, 31 to 60 days, it is named as SME 1, and 61 to 90 days, it is named as SME 2. Then it is termed as, it is labeled as non-performing asset after 90 days. The non-performing asset is further classified as a substandard asset, doubtful asset, and loss asset. Substandard asset, if the asset remains NPA for a period of 1 year, it is a substandard asset. Provisioning was 0, 15 percentage for secured asset and 25 percentage for unsecured asset.
Super good. This is in the
Doubt,
stage of what substandard asset. Now go to doubtful assets.
doubtful asset, if the asset remained NPA for a period more than 1 year, it is termed as doubtful asset for up to 3 years.
Mm,
Provisioning for this
mm.
uh, trend, sir, I can't able to
No, no,
recollect.
you
40
can say
percentage.
25%, 40%, 100%,
Yes, sir,
depending on
25%.
1 year, more than 1 year, more than 2 years, like that, and more than 3 years. And once it becomes a loss assets, when commented by auditor, when there is no security, then 100% provision will be made.
Yes,
This is
sir.
given here, but here something is missing. Mm, I only wanted Niharika to do this, but here what will come, we don't know. Under this doubtful assets, I think it is
Sir,
40%.
unsecured asset is 25 percentage. Secured will be 45, I think so. 1 to 3 years, secured will be 40 percentage, and more than 3 years, it is 100 percentage. I think so, sir.
Correct, correct. This is unsecured only. Secured
Yes,
means,
sir.
I think, secured assets will have, I think, in the second stage 40%, and next stage third percent. Unsecured, yeah. Um, 1 minute, I will alter it. There is
Okay, sir.
something to be done here. Edit. All this is for unsecured. Then for secured, we will take it as 40%, and then here 40%, and next stage will be 100%. That is, after second year and all, I think it will be classified as 100. Sorry, from second year it will be 100%. Loss assets, of course, 100%. Good,
100%.
very good. Now I'll stop this. I'll show you. I'll ask another question they have asked in the interview recently. Can you tell me what is debt equity ideal ratio?
Sir, it is 1.33 is to 1
No, no, no. That is current ratio.
current
Here,
ratio. Sir,
here it is
1 to
1.5 is
2
to
is to
2.
1. Okay,
1.5
sir.
is to 1.5 or 2 is to 1, depending on the industry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question they have asked is, what is the term preliminary expenses, where it will appear in the balance sheet?
Sir, preliminary expenses are those expenses which is happen before the incorporation of the company. Like the market survey, they have some expenses, and for the incorporation of this company, they have some legal expenses.
No, no, you can say like this. Before, instead of telling incorporation, you can say at the time of commencement of the business,
Yes, sir.
or at the time of starting of the business, initially huge expenses are incurred. And if that is taken to income expenditure account, that will reduce the profit, and that will result in huge loss. So in order to spread it through different years, this amount is kept in asset side, and every year a portion of that will be deducted towards expenses. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Please tell me, what is goodwill?
The goodwill is an intangible asset which arises when a company purchases another company for the higher price than its market value. Is it like
Than, no,
brand recognition,
not market value, than the value of its assets.
than total tangible assets? Yes,
No,
sir.
tangible assets over the cost of the tangible assets. When it is paid, that is known as goodwill. Very good.
Okay.
You told correctly. Can you name a few intangible assets?
Yes, sir. They are copyrights, patents, then goodwill,
Trademark.
trademark,
Very good.
also
Thank you.
brand recognition.
Thank you. Best wishes. What is your father doing?
Spray painter, sir, for
He is a
automobile.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. Good.
Okay,
Best
sir.
wishes. Thank you so much. Please attend the
Thank you so
interview
much.
with confidence. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தைரியமாக பேச வேண்டும்.
சரிங்க சார்.